behalf of the management and of all our employees, welcome to the Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. Since 1999, when it made its first run across the country, the CP Holiday Train has generated food bank donations in excess of $1.5 million and more than 250,000 pounds of non-perishable food. We're happy to take to the rails each year, reach out to the communities we serve, provide our particular brand of good cheer, and start the holiday season on a festive note with our beautiful and colorful train. To all the citizens of this fine town, thank you for coming out to see us. Thank you for participating in our project to share with those in need. A very happy holiday season to each and every one of you. Good night, and see you next year.